Good morning, YouTube. It's like 7:10 in the morning. I woke up early as hell, freezing my balls off because my furnace inside my house decided that it wasn't gonna come on in the middle of the night. But luckily I got it fixed. Now she's up and running and it's starting to feel a little warmer up in here. But yeah, the pressure switch was stuck open. So the only thing I did was blowing it, sucked on it, blowing it, sucked on it. Put it back up, turn the furnace back on, she fired right back up. But I'm getting hold of the office this morning to let them know about the problem in case it does exist. Then they can look further into it to fix it. But yeah, that's how my morning's going. And made some coffee as well. See? Gotta love that coffee. Gotta have that coffee early in the morning. Okay, I'm back, YouTube. So it is 8 o'clock in the morning. An hour since I last recorded another clip. But I had to reset the pressure switch on my furnace for the second time. But I can't call the office until 9 o'clock when they open. So I guess I'm gonna have to keep resetting it until 9 o'clock. But it's 8:06, as y'all can tell. See? So yeah, the things I go through in life. But it's a good thing that I went to school for this shit. It's not a good thing to keep doing it, but you know, it is cold in here. Like I said this morning, woke up freezing my balls off. And it was like 58 degrees in here. It was cold. I mean, it wasn't that cold, but it was cold. So yeah, we'll see how long it stays on for now. But yeah, see, look at my furnace. Yeah, this right here, I don't know if y'all can see right here, is a pressure switch. This is an inducer motor. Yeah, the pressure switch was always open. It's got to be closed in order for the gas valve to open, introducing gas into the furnace. Then the flame will ignite, and then it'll read that it detects flame, and then it'll kick the fan on once the heat exchanger heats up. But yeah, so that's all I got for this one. See you in the next video. Alright guys, I'm back. Office guys just left. Well, the maintenance man called the office, told him about my furnace. Yeah, well, I guess just doing that, it threatened my furnace, because now it seems to be working just fine. But last night it didn't want to kick on. So I don't know if it was because of the wind or what, because it's windy outside right now. And it's only like 17 degrees. The high is today, it's supposed to be 21 degrees. And it's cold. So, yeah. Got my last cup of coffee right here. Doing it big. But the good thing is it is sunny out. So, but still only 20-some degrees. But yeah, we'll look outside. It's gonna be, looks like it's gonna be nice, but it's windy and cold. As you can see, I don't know if y'all can see, but it's cold. But it looks nice outside. I don't know if y'all can see the leaves that are out in the yard blowing or not. Still ain't done fixing that trailer over there they just put in. The skirting's off of it. I'm glad Christmas is over. New Year's. I'm ready for summertime. Or spring, at least. Ooh, making some of these. Let me show you my dirty stove if we can see.
I'll make the chocolate chip one too.
You're making chocolate chip tonight too?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Oh yes, baby.
We about to have some muffins for breakfast. Are they done? Ooh. Them don't look too bad. And what flavor do we got there?
Chocolate chip.
Speak up, we can't hear you.
Chocolate chip.
Are you mixing that right?
Yes.
Did you add the right stuff?
Yes.
How do you know what you're doing? Does that come with instructions?
I'm not watching. Get away from me.
Will it help keep me warm?
Yep.
Too bad we didn't have one of motorized mixers. Like
Now
a big
my
bowl.
arm hurts.
Like your grandma and my grandma has. That's what we need to invest in.
Shoulder hurt. I know, I seen one at Walmart. And
I
so,
want to get a bread pan and make our own bread.
good enough. My arm hurts.